How to delete professional dashboard on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go directly here to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now all you have to do is on the bottom part you will see five different options there. Tap on your profile option there or your profile icon and it will lead you here to your profile page. Now on the middle part it's obviously you can see your professional dashboard there. So to actually delete your professional dashboard is you have to set your account into personal. So all you have to do is on the upper right, you will see three dash lines there. Tap on that and go to settings. Now, the next thing that you want to do here on settings is go to account and then scroll all the way down up until you see switch account type. Tap on switch account type and tap on switch to personal account. Here it will ask you to switch your personal to personal account, and here you've switched to personal account. Now if you go back again here to your homepage, you won't be able to see the professional dashboard anymore. And basically that is how you delete professional dashboard on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.